Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the guided prayer feature on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below, which is in the left side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on guided prayer, which takes up to 4 or 6 minutes. As you can see, you should tap the screen to continue after reading the welcome. Then you should spend these next few moments thanking God for who He is, as you can see. Then you should tap to the right side to proceed. Here you can find this prayer. If you want to add the prayer, tap on it. Tap on this button and then you can say your prayer. And here you have this thank God section and then the closing. So that's how you can complete the guided prayer. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.